Today, we stand with the LGBTQ+ community on Transgender Day of Remembrance. We mourn and honour the memory of trans and non-binary people lost in the past year in acts of anti-transgender violence, whose lives might otherwise have been forgotten. As we work together to tackle transphobia, we must remember those lost worldwide and continue to think about how we can ensure that Newport is an inclusive city where trans and non-binary people are safe.
Transgender Day of Remembrance is a time to honour those lost and advocate for a world where transgender and non-binary people are no longer targets of violence and hate. This is an important day for many reasons. It is a reminder to society that there are still far too many people who are targeted and attacked because they identify as transgender, non-binary, gender non-conforming or gender diverse. Today serves as a reminder that we must work together to end transphobia and violence against transgender and gender diverse people. Transgender Day of Remembrance also draws attention to the issue of hate crimes against trans people, which often go unreported or unrecognised. It can be difficult to reach or speak out, and for many, living in fear of abuse, harassment or violence is a daily challenge. It is vital that everyone recognises the different forms that hate crime can take, the harm it can cause and what it can lead to.
Sadly, we know that we still have a way to go for the trans plus community, who continue to face many obstacles such as transphobic hate. That is why, as Newport City Council's LGBTQ+ champion, I am committed to taking a stand against hate and working to ensure that Newport remains an inclusive city where trans and non-binary people are safe, can live freely and are valued. There is no place for hate in Newport. We must stand together against all forms of hate online, on our streets and in our communities.
As a council, we value our trans community and are committed to working with the LGBTQ+ community and partners to tackle hate and violence against trans and non-binary people. We want to make Newport a better, more inclusive city for everybody, where all residents feel safe, valued, and free to be themselves.